Hey everyone, it's Jessica here. Today I'm going to show you a simple yet clever trick to find out your device's activation date. Now, you might be wondering, how do you do that? Well, there's no straightforward method, but don't worry. I've got a little workaround that's surprisingly effective. Whenever you get a new device, the first thing you usually do is sign in with your Google account. That sign-in date can actually serve as a pretty good clue to when your device was activated. So, here's the trick. By checking the first sign-in date for the Google account you used on that device, you can easily figure out when it was activated. Let me walk you through it. Grab your phone or computer and open up your Google Chrome browser, or any app where your Google account is logged in, like Gmail. Now, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. This will take you to a list of all the Google accounts linked to your device. From here, select the account that you used to sign in on your device and then tap on Manage Your Google Account. Once you're in, you'll see a bunch of options, but what we want is the Security section. Scroll down until you find the Your Devices area and tap on Manage Devices. Now, you'll see a list of all the devices linked to your account. Find the one that corresponds to your current device and tap on it. You'll now see the first sign-in date for that particular device. And there you have it. That's the date you activated your phone or tablet. It's that easy. So the next time you want to know when your device was activated, just follow these steps. If this little trick helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips. I'll catch you in the next one.